Hhayi-ke bangani, sifike eHluhluwe, bukhile ugayi, 5-star, ntontontoni, ayinhle indawo yakhona. I remember breakfast yakhona yayingemnandi. O-chef bakhona abaphesonali babethi uma bekuseva, bafike ukudla bakwenze la, right next to you. Whatever that you order, mo order omelette, whatever that you are ordering, amatafula akhona nje ayene-space esisethiwe, umuntu afike ayenze la eduze kwakhe, ayenza. Hayibo, the under was beautiful, inokudla okumnandi, that home taste cooking food. Ama-veg akhona aye-fresh, they were babe nengadi bey'tshalele organic veggies. U-chef nje wayethi uma ezoyopheka umbone encosula laphaya o-bay leaves, o-rosemary, ntontono, o-mint leaves, umbone ezo-chopper azowarinsa la eduze kwakho. Yo, leya ndawo was beautiful, guys. It was exquisitely beautiful. Ngangiqala ukulala endaweni enjeyaya, it was beautiful. I've got timeshares and I've slept endaweni oHluhlu, endaweni zobumnandi nani. Kodwa nje, yo, that one. And even when I inquired, they told me they are not part of any timeshare because they were privately owned. Okay. Sidrayive-ke akumnandi emotweni, siyacula, ungifundisa umculo waseGermany, ufaka iy'ngoma zaseGermany, siyacula, and then naye athi angimfundise-ke iy'ngoma zase-South Africa. Uyazi-ke abelungu angazi, at that time nje pre-COVID nje lapha ko-2019, 2020, abelungu babemthanda uMandoza ukufa. So athi-ke wake waya ephathini, in a South African party, esajola naleya Daniela wakhe lo engibelesela ngaye, they were playing Mandoza-ke, athi-ke angidownload-e kuMandoza, sidlale uMandoza-ke. Hhayi-ke siyacula-ke emotweni, siyacula, kumnandi. Sihambe sifike eHluhluwe, masifike eHluhluwe sibhukhile-ke nama-activities-ke, ama-game drives, nani. Yo, yinhle indawo, kumnandi, the atmosphere is relaxed, the air is fresh. Well, Friday safika sikhathele. For some reasons nje kwaba ukuthi nje sikhathele, wangiranela ibhavu, waphosa izinto zakhe lezi athi uyazidayisa koma-skin care, ntontontoni, waphosa izinto zakhe. Yo, zavele zangidaka kamnandi nje, ngashushuzeleka, wangimasaja. Ngalala zwi Friday, masifika ngo-Friday. Kwazenzakalela nje. Ngiyazi ukuthi amayini, ama-bombs, what, lento ayifake emanzini yavele yangidaka nje. Wangimasaja. Wangiqukula yena futhi, sengilele mina ebhavini sekumnandi, wangiqukula, wangibeka embhedeni, wangisula, wangigcoba, wangishiya kanjalo. Wathi, hhayi, ngibonile last night ukuthi you were so tired, and wayisho ngegama into ayifakile ukuthi you really enjoyed it, waze wazumeka on the bath, so I just took you to bed. Oh, I was like, Tom, that's so sweet. Hey, ngiyalibheka nekrushi lami man. Krushi lami liphilile, liphelele, lihlangene mukuthu, alithintwanga. Okay. Day 2 sekuSaturday. Hhayi-ke phela Saturday kufanele kucace phela lo muntu hintile, and ngiwabonile amakhondomu ngesikhathi e-unpack ibag yakhe. Ngibona ukuthi khona amakhondomu nami ngangiwaphethe. So nje si-ready, but somehow angazi noma siyasabana or kwenzakalani. Hhayi-ke ufika uSaturday ebusuku. Uma ufika uSaturday ebusuku sibuya edineni, kade sihambe imini yonke sehla senyuka, sabuya indawo, sathini, sabuka iy'lwane, game drive, ntontontoni, the whole day. Sabuya-ke masibuya-ke nje si-happy, si-right. We even went to a shower so-2 on Saturday. Hhayi, sageza. Ngiyayibona Nkosi yami nesithuphuluzana sakhe sesimile. Hhayi, sihambe-ke siyongena embhedeni-ke. Hhayi, masifika embhedeni siqale sixoxa about everything, and mostly I was really interested on what he wanted to start here, what he wanted, because I was seeing ukuthi ama-job opportunities lawo for abantu abami. Then I'm just, no, I've got kids who are in business studies who can just, abanye baka-marketing, you can just get those kids, and it will be a good thing for them ukuthi by the time they finish, they'll have experience, because they can work on Saturdays, whatever that suits their schedules. Hhayi-ke kube ukuthi nje sikhuluma ngalo nto kuze kube seyintatha. Hayibo phela, hayibo noma ngabe kuseyintatha khona into ekufanele mayenzeke la, kodwa engenzeki. Ngicela ukunitshela guys ukuthi ngikhale ngokushisa. Athi, should I turn on the aircon? I use i-aircon. Ngigqoka amapijama phela nama-sexy. Bengiyimisele ngithenge nama-pijama sexy. Ngithi, hayi, I'll take off the pajamas. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi kanti why lo bhuti a-chilled kangaka. Ngaphela mina nangu ubhontshisi engiholele ophathe. Ubhontshisi ubhizi la ngingelo ophathe and yena engase akekho interested indaba kabhontshisi. Kumayelana nani? Ngisibonile phela sithuphuluzi. Siyesama ngesikhathi sithatha ishower so-2. No, don't increase the aircon. It's gonna give me sinuses. It's fine like that. What I can do, I can just take off the pajamas. Nginamanga, ngifuna ukubona ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngithatha ngivuhle ama-pyjamas ngiwajikijele phansi. Ngize ngithi phela ngisondele nangezinqa, ngithi ngisondele eduze kwakho, ulele ngemuva ungibambe so. As you know ukuthi indlela yokulala kwabantu yabo, kwabantu abasemathandweni silele kanjalo, ungigaxele net so, and because besilokhu sibhekene sikhuluma. So at some mengabe sengithi ngiyashiselwa ngikhuluma ama-pyjama ngimflathelile ngabheka le. Hayi-ke sithene on ama-lights. Angithi uyabona ey'ndaweni ezi-expensive kunalama-lights la othi uma ngabe ulicima lehle lifike at a certain level yokukhanya ime. It's up to you whether you want to switch it off completely or you want it to be at that level kadim. So ama-lights ethu akulowo level kadim, ngoba besixoxa ngithi hayi-ke ngilale nami ngizincikise phela ngize ngisondeze, yabo uchithise nezinqa funa zimthinte umuntu. Hayi naye Nkosi yami asondele, ngiyamuzwa uyasondela. Ngiyasizwa nesithuphuluzana sakhe Nkosi yami siyanyakanyakaza la. Haqala ngithinta ngibamba. Manje into engididayo ungithinta ngazi ukuthi uyasaba or engazi ukuthi umuntu ongekho sure noma whether is doing the right thing or not. Ngizibise nami ngizinto engazi ukuthi iyazumeka. Ngithule. Ungithinta nakamnandi kuthiwa abelungu bayaromensana phela, ngifuna ukuyiprova namhlanje leyo ukuthi abelungu bayayishaya romance. Hayi ngithule ngizibe. Ngithe ngizwa isandla sakhe sehla kancane siyongena ey'nqeni. Uyabona ngabe isandla sehla kamnandi sinofozele siyongena sigudla umsinsila wezinqa. Uyasibona ukuthi sehlela ukuthi sifuna ukuyolocate lo munwe lo ufuna ukuyolocate la kuqala khona ikhofonoza, ukuthi liqala kephi ikhofonoza. Sehle kuthe at some point semukwehla isandla. Hayibo kwenzakalani, ngoba ngisayi-enjoya nje lokuthintwa. Hayi aphinde aqhubeke futhi sehle. Ngimbone ngathi uyehlikela kancane. Umuntu engathi uyehlikela engathi ufuna ukuqondanisa, ufuna ukumeja ukuthi lesi sithuphuluzi sakhe uma engasijikijela at this position engilele ngayo sizofika yini la kufanele sifike khona. Hayi azame. Well loke ehlahlele loke ekala. Uyazama uyakala. Hayi abona ukuthi uthe wavele wayeka. Hawu na. Wavele wayeka umlisi uthi ngimuzwa wayethi good night. Sweet dreams baby nwa. Hawu kahleni bo. Waphenduka wangiflathela walala. Kwasekuseni. Sekuyi-Sunday phela, this is our last day here. Siphindele emuva eThekwini. And mina ngiphindela kwami. Angisayi kulala naye. Sengiyakwami. Hawu, kahleni hayi sihambe. Masifika eThekwini, angicela ukuthi ucela ngingahambi futhi. Ngidideke manje ukuthi ucela ngingahambi into ebuka ubani ngoba uhluleke yimina lo muntu. Friday, Saturday, okay Friday sasikhathele. Saturday, Sunday, sila manje still ngifuna la kodwa uhlulekile yimina. Ufunani kumina? Hayi, sihlale. Ngalolo langa ngiyakhumbula uMonday wakhona. Okay ngivume futhi ukuhlala Sunday again ngoba vele nginazo izinto zokushisa, ngithi ngikhavadi besihambe for a weekend away. Ngivume ukuhlala. On Monday angibuza ama-classes wami ami kanjani, ngimtshela ukuthi ngiyakhumbula that day iclass lami yokuqala ngina only 3 classes mangabe ku Monday. Class lami yokuqala lingena ngo-11 lo 1.5 hour, elesibili lalingena ngo-1, elokugcina elokugcina lalingena ngobani angisazi lalingena ngobani elokugcina. Okay. Athi-ke uzongilanda ke emsebenzini, afike futhi nangempela ngilande ngilicancelele lokugcina ngoba izingane zami zazibhala i-test the following day yenye i-module. Ngithi hayi khulekani hamba niyofunda e-library, we'll meet, we'll doublish i-class lethu on the next sessions. Okay fine. Abese ke mengiqeda ukusebenza ke mina ngimtshela hayi ngiqedile, ezazongilanda ahamba ungilanda. Masifika so azongilanda, uke wezwa mekuthiwa abelungu bane straight talk, abajikele emva kwendlu. Umlungu into uyishintshe ngoba injalo. Umlungu maye kufuna uyakufuna, maye kuthanda uyakuthanda, maye ngasakufuna akasakufuna, ukutshela nje ngqo emehlweni futhi mangabe ungeyona type uyakutshela nje straight away. Sihambe ke ayeze kazongilanda ke bese sicela sihambe siyodla i-dinner ke before angibuyisa ngilethe kwami. Ngifuna ukuyodla kephi? Ngithi mina hayi I don't know. But I know ukuthi Florida has got nice places. You will really enjoy some of the restaurants that are in Florida Road. At okay, it's fine ke. Bese ke siyangena emotweni. Before singena emotweni, athi I want to talk to you about something. Ngithi mina, okay, shoot, I'm listening. Athi you will notice that we were together over the weekend, and I could not get to be intimate with you. Ngithule ngimbuza ngithi I won't even say yes or no or why. Athi yeah, to be honest with you, the reason I could not get intimate with you is because of your bums. Huh? Bums? Zenze ntoni impundu zami ngokumlungu ndini? Athi umlungu, I'm not your type. You are not my type. Your bums are too much. They are too big. I could not even figure out. I like spoon position. I could not even figure out ukuthi uma ngilala nawe, how can I even enjoy myself when your bums are this big? Into yami mfushane. I've always wondered ukuthi why African men have a long thing. When you see ama movies lawo ucansi African men have got a long thing. Now I see it. It is because it's the way African women are designed. They are designed to have big bums, big hips, big bodies, and unfortunately, when I saw your pictures on Tinder, you look like you were thin. I like thin women, petite women, 20, anything size 20, 24, 28, and when at the time I go size, but I think I go size 34, and you are over 34, 36, I could not even get myself. I could not even get arousal. Ayibo guys, njengoba ngisho nje ayifihliwe lento ayigqokisiwe lento isho nje uyibhadlaza nje njengoba injalo nje ukuthi hayi I'm not his type, kodwa ke as much as ngingesiyona itype yakhe futhi ebona ukuthi ngekakwazi yini ukenjoya ucansi nami, akamind, we can stay connected, we can stay being friends and everything, akanankinga naloko. Yo guys, sahamba uyazi sesiyahamba siyakodla, angisazi noma nginqabe. And futhi uyabona yena ukuthi ngokwakhe ayikho into wrong ayenzile yena, ukhuluma iqiniso lakhe, i-honesty yakhe nje uyikhiphe njengoba injalo. Ngokwakhe uyambona nje ukuthi uyambona ukuthi ukhululekile in fact ukuthi ungitshelile ukhonile ukungitshela, yena akayibona into wrong, akana stress, akana nkinga. Yimi nje kuphela ngisele ngine stress ukuthi hayibo ngavele ngaliwa ngingakoqomi nokuqomi. Ithini into nje umuntu avela kuwala ungakoqomani nokuqomana, avela abona iyinkinga. Abona iyinkinga ningangondluli nakuzona, bese ngiyambuza ke mina ngithi mina, do you like me? Athi yes, I do like you. I like you a lot. And the fact that masikhuluma siyahambisana, siya-understandana, you even understand business, ufundile, and even though I'm not happy about the fact that ngesikhathi all along sikhuluma, you ezinto eziningi ungifihlelile zona. I could not understand why ungifihlelile izinto eziningi, kodwa it's fine. You've got your own reasons. I love the fact that masikhuluma siya-understandana, mangikhuluma ngebusiness we understand and everything. At this moment uma ngabe ngihlangana nomuntu wesifazane, I'm only gonna be ngihlangana nalowo muntu wesifazane for me effect ukuthi I want to enjoy sex naloyo muntu loyo, because I'm going through a divorce, which naye at the time I was also going through a divorce. I'm going through a divorce, so I cannot lie and say ukuthi I want a serious relationship. So if kuukuthi ngiyabona ukuthi ngeke ngilienjoy ucansi nawe, then it's a complete waste of time. But we can stay friends if you don't mind being friends with me. We can continue being friends. We can continue exploring South Africa if you want. And if there's another place or ngasuggest ukuthi sivakashele, I'm fine with that. We'll continue whatever nje. We can still continue ukuthi ungisize futhi nokuthi ungitholela abantwana laba uthe uzongitholela bona ukuthi basebenze nani. Hey guys, sahamba ke saqhubeka ke sahamba saya edineni ngaphela ukudla kunacala, futhi ke mina makukhulunywa ngokudla ke shem, food is the only thing that has never wronged me in this lifetime. Saqhubeka sahamba ke sayidla dinner eButcher Block ke, safike sadla ke sekumuncwanyana, kodwa ngazama ukubuyisa nami ingqondo yami ukuthi hayibo phela it's not like yabo, wake up girl at the end of the day. Saqhubeka ke and after a while sindawo ngikanjalo shem wahamba waphinde wabuya futhi esezothenga iproperty. I even remember ukuthi iflat, one of the flats blocks awathenga, he even asked me for my opinion ukuthi indawo enjani, area, neighborhood and whatsoever. Ngamnikeza nje futhi advice, and wayengipha ngisho imali. I remember at the time ngangihamba ngenye imoto eyayihlupha ngendlela, angisanda kuthenga ibike ngoba ngithi ngifuna, ngoba on the side njengoba ngenza that independent work, I was also pushing my catering business on the side. So yeah, it so happened ukuthi leya moto yayihlupha ngoba ngangiyithenge second hand. I even remember at the time inginikeza inkinga nje ka-gearbox ne-starter nje, sekune problem ye-gearbox ne-starter. Akazange aze ahluphe, wavele wangena kwi-internet wasearch ama-gearbox waleyo moto leyo, waloyo bhakhe ukuthi ayibiza malini, wathi no, I've searched brand new gearbox cost X amount, I'm going to send you that money. Wayisenda nje futhi cabanga sekukade ahamba. And emva kwaloko futhi waphinde wabuya after 6 months esizo-establish that business. He contacted me wangitshela ukuthi uyeza ibhizinisi ufuna uku-establisha eGoli first because umngani wakhe ama-offices wakhe lakho, so they will be sharing offices and stuff like that. Ngabo-organizela futhi abantu and everything, and he paid me for doing that. He paid me for training lozo zingane, so for inducting lozo zingane, because I did induction yabo. Ngam-createla ama-training manuals as well. Ngamenza nje wa-clued up nanga South African Labour Relations Act ukuthi what is it that you have to be careful of uma ngabe uqasha abantu abasebenza eSouth Africa, kunemithetho kanje, avoid this, that. Ngam-advise nje on a lot of things because I'm also an HR expert at the same time. Those are HR, understand a lot. Even though I don't practice HR, but I've studied HR, so nje ngiyayazi ne-labor law ngiyayi-understand, I don't practice it, but ngiyayazi, ngiyayifundisa futhi ngiyayi-understand. So ngam-advise kuzona zonke lezo zinto. So kwaba ukugcina kwami lapho-ke ukumbona-ke ngizom-organizela leyo training, ngizomenzela leyo training yabantu bakhe, ngizomsiza nangama-interviews, and then wahamba waphindela emuva. Till this day I don't know what is going on, I don't know how that business went, but abantwana engangimsizile ukuthi abaqashe, some of them basebenza baze bathola nje ama-opportunities angcono baze bayeka-ke, so ngangingesekho-ke involved. Last time ngi-interacta naye kwenzakalani, angisazi kwenzakalani, kodwa I remember ukuthi last time ngi-interacta naye wangipha imali, and the very last time it's where I was excited ukuthi i-divorce yakhe has finally come through, and ngathi ayigcina i-sex kwathini, ngathi mina wena ngithi wena awukwazi ukubhebha abantu abaney'nqa ey'nkulu njengami, so manje why are you saying that to me? Go and find people who are petite, who are actually going to make you enjoy sex. That's why, yeah, sabanga lokho. And then emva kwalowo ngaphuma-ke kuye-ke for good-ke, ngakwaba ukugcina kwami ukukhuluma naye lokho. Kodwa that is the first one out of many. Enjoy, siyabuya, asijajane, siyakhuluma, siyafunda nje, sifunda ngamaphutha abanye, sifunda ngamaphutha wethu, bese senza kangcono moving forward. From me to you, love, Tinder Moments.